Welcome to Easy Futures, the channel where we talk about future trends and then how to invest in them. In our last episode, Lesedi and I were talking about clean and green energy and climate change and all those good things. It's a fairly well-known topic, maybe even a little bit boring now, but the question we asked was, how do you invest in that future? If you believe that electric vehicles and batteries and clean and green technology is the future, well, where should you put some money in terms of an investment? And what we're going to do here on Easy Futures is I'm actually going to put my money where my mouth is. He said I should, and I think it's a good idea. So I'm going to put a little bit of money into some of the stocks that we talked about. If you remember, we talked about the fact that you could invest directly, for example, in electric vehicle manufacturers. So Audi, BMW, Ford, Tesla, these are all companies that are producing really top quality electric cars, and you could invest in those. So I'm going to put a little bit of money into Tesla. My choice. I think Elon Musk is crazy in both good and bad ways, and I think he's got big and bold plans, and even at the current stock price I still think it's worth buying into his vision for the future, although he does I think play around with that stock price for a variety of reasons, and it doesn't always represent the underlying value of the company. Hey, I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not giving you advice. That's just my opinion, but I think I'm going to put a little bit of money into Tesla, see what happens there. Not just because of their cars, but also because of their batteries, which leads me to the second investment to make. And there I wanted to invest in a South African mining company that was mining some of the minerals that we need for batteries. So that would be platinum, that would be lithium, that would be cobalt, nickel, all of those sorts of things. So things that go into some of the battery technologies that we are needing. And remember in our last episode, Lesedi mentioned companies like Glencore and Anglo-Platts. There's ARM, that's Patrice Motsepe's company. But I'm going to invest in Sibanye-Stillwater. Not just because of what they're doing in some of these. They're quite a diversified mining company. They're looking for international acquisitions. They look as if they've got some really good strategic plans. So I think Sibanye-Stillwater is a good investment. I'm going to put a bit of money into there. So those are my two picks. And you have a look at the trend. If you think clean and green energy is huge, then try and find a way to invest in it, a way that makes sense to you. We'll see you in a few months and see how my two picks are doing.
So easy, so easy.